smart kitchen tools, and gadgets, useful tips and tricks. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. On a hectic weekday, finding time to cook might be difficult. But what if there was a smart oven that could complete the task in minutes, or a multi-purpose cooker that could perform numerous tasks at once? These smart kitchen devices will make cooking as simple as possible, no matter what day it is. When it comes to smart home technology, the kitchen is a wonderful place to start. You probably don't use or appreciate any other room in the house as much as this one. If your loved one is a seasoned cook or is still learning the ropes, investing in the best cooking utensils for the aspiring chef in your life ensures that they can sauté, stir, chop, and bake with ease while having a blast in the kitchen. Whether they're cooking evening dinners for the whole family or cleaning up, these products will make cooking and cleaning up simple, safe, and enjoyable. As a result, we've compiled a list of our favorite smart kitchen tools and gadgets. Take a peek at these, they'll make your cooking easier and more delicious than ever before. Before we begin, kindly subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell. Number 20. Smart Toaster. The smart toaster is first on our list of smart kitchen appliances and gadgets. With a simple and effective smart toaster, you can say goodbye to underheated, burnt, or stuck toast, crumpets, muffins, and other toasted pleasures. Smart toasters provide you complete control over the toast speed and strength. There are a variety of modes and options to choose from, whether you're toasting from frozen or simply reheating. With little effort, you may now enjoy a wonderful toast on a variety of items. Number 19. iFlow Touchless Faucet. If you're looking for a germ-free way to wash your hands, look no further. You can switch on the water without touching the tap with the iFlow Touchless Faucet. In addition, its smart display displays data like as water temperature and use. Number 18. Coral UV Sterilizer and Dryer. With the Coral UV Sterilizer and Dryer, you can keep toys, bottles, cosmetic brushes, and cleaner and more sanitized. This countertop sterilizer kills viruses and bacteria on a variety of surfaces using UVC radiation. Number 17. Xiaomi M2 Water Dispenser. With another of our smart kitchen devices, the Xiaomi M2 Water Dispenser, you can have a hot drink on the move. This portable water dispenser allows you to have warm water for tea, coffee, and other beverages no matter where you are. Number 16. Revolution Cooking R180 High-Speed Smart Toaster. With the Revolution Cooking R180 High-Speed Smart Toaster, you can always get your toast exactly how you want it. 3 modes, 5 meal settings, and 7 hues are available with this smart bread toaster. Number 15. Breville The Super Q Food Blender. The Breville Super Q Food Blender is a blender that you may operate without bothering anybody else in the house. It features noise cancellation technology, but it's still a powerful machine. The 12-speed options will allow you to modify the texture of soups, smoothies, and other dishes. With a strong and efficient smart blender, blend rich smoothies, healthy soups, and sweet desserts in a simple way, just the way you like them. You may adjust the speed, mode, time, and other variables to create liquid delicacies that are both tasty and satisfying to the touch. Blending becomes a fluid and efficient procedure with smart blenders. All that's left to do now is clean the container and wipe it down, and you're ready to go. Number 14. Smart Oven Microwave. When it comes to adaptability, smart appliances shine, and a smart oven microwave is no exception. With this outstanding 4-in-1 smart appliance, you can cook your meals in a convection oven, air fryer, microwave, or food warmer, as well as a selection of presets to cook food in a variety of ways. Depending on where you are in the house, you can talk to the microwave oven, utilize your smartphone app, or dial in your preferences on its interface. The option to knock twice to observe how your food is cooking saves time and work by eliminating the need to constantly open the oven. This smart oven, which comes with numerous hobs and an air fryer, provides you complete control over the timing and temperature of your cuisine. Plus, the oven's self-cleaning functions mean no more afternoons spent scrubbing away on your hands and knees. Number 13. Anova Precision Oven Combi Cooker. The Anova Precision Oven Combi Cooker, another of our smart kitchen devices, allows you to monitor your meals via an app. You can do it even if you're not at home. Before you leave in the morning, put food in your combi cooker and control it remotely. Number 12. ARSYS 2.0 Plus Home Automated Cocktail Maker. The ARSYS 2.0 Plus Home Automated Cocktail Maker is one of our smart kitchen gadgets that's perfect for parties. It can prepare a delicious drink in less than 20 seconds, and the smartphone app allows you to personalize your creations. This home bar machine functions using pre-assembled cartridges and beverage pods, making it incredibly simple to use. Simply pop the pod in and wait for chilled, flavorful cocktails in under a minute. From margaritas to sangrias, the home bar machine has been pre-programmed to reproduce a variety of popular cocktails. The ingredients have been precisely calculated to provide a drink that is both accurate and tasty. Number 11. Smart Food Scale or Calculator. With the help of a smart food scale and calculator, you can quickly get a lot of information about your items. This ultralight, ultra-thin tablet is capable of far more than simply weighing the ingredients you lay on top of it. Simply place an item in your cart, enter the code, and you'll be able to access a wealth of nutritional information to help you track your calorie consumption, monitor your diet, and work toward a healthier you. Number 10. Sous Vide Multi-Cooker. When you have the Sous Vide Multi-Cooker, another of our smart kitchen gadgets for 2020, you'll be able to cook like a pro. You can sous vide, make rice, slow cook, steam, boil, make yogurt, and sear with this gadget. Using a sous vide to prepare food can provide some incredibly delectable results, and a smart sous vide allows you to sit back and enjoy while the machine does the work. Smart sous vides heat up quickly and guide you through the cooking process with easy-to-understand graphic displays that let you monitor the status of your food. A sophisticated sous vide machine can take a variety of your favorite meat and other foods and elevate them to new heights of flavor in a breathtakingly tiny package. Number 9. Smart Coffee Maker. With the help of a smart coffee maker, you may wake up or return home to the seductive aroma of fresh, hot coffee, precisely the way you like it. This smart coffee maker, which can be proudly displayed on your kitchen counter, allows you incredible control over the timing and intensity of each pot. Your favorite coffee brew is just a button push or voice command away, with the capacity to fill up to 12 cups. There's no need to stay in the kitchen while you wait for your much-needed coffee to be poured. Number 8. Kohler Connect Sensate Smart Kitchen Sink Faucet. The Kohler Connect Sensate Smart Kitchen Sink Faucet lets you control your water with your voice. Amazon Alexa, Google Helper, and Apple HomeKit are all supported by this kitchen assistant. Number 7. Philips Pasta Maker Plus Noodle Machine. With Philips Pasta Maker Plus Noodle Machine, you can have homemade pasta ready to boil in only 10 minutes. When you create fresh pasta in just minutes, you'll impress your family any night of the week. Number 6. Philips Air Fryer Double XL Fat Reducing Air Fryer. The Philips Air Fryer Double XL Fat Reducing Air Fryer is another of our smart kitchen devices that fries your food in hot air rather than oil. This makes frying food much easier and keeping your food lighter. Number 5. Smart Meat Thermometer Set. Are you tired of continuously checking to see if the meat is done? Using a smart thermometer, make cooking meat a hands-free experience. A smart meat thermometer allows you to watch the cooking process from your phone and sends you an alert when the meat has reached your desired stage and temperature. A smart meat thermometer can help you improve your cooking with entertaining recipes and expert culinary recommendations via the app. Number 4. Smart Air Fryer. A smart air fryer can cook a variety of delectable recipes under your supervision, making it ideal for anyone who prefers easy, hands-off cooking. A smart air fryer with voice command comes with a variety of presets and modes that you may activate with the touch of a button. You can schedule, monitor, and change the cooking process using your smartphone. A smart air fryer makes air frying meat, fish, pizza, fries, and a variety of other flavorful dishes quick, easy, and effective. Number 3. Smart 12-in-1 Appliance. With a smart 12-in-1 appliance, you may choose from a variety of culinary techniques without cluttering your kitchen counters with large, cumbersome machines. Maybe you want your chicken cooked on a rotisserie, or perhaps you want to make a pizza with a carefully baked crust. Select from 12 distinct cooking modes, all of which can be controlled from your smartphone. This clever 12-in-1 appliance raises the bar on cooking versatility to new heights. Hands-off baking, frying, and a variety of other culinary styles have never been easier thanks to this easy-to-use device with a wide range of modes and presets. Number 2. Smart Kitchen Faucet with Voice Control. Smart kitchen gadgets strive to free up your hands as much as possible, and a smart kitchen faucet is no exception. The faucet may be turned on or off using the handle, the app, the motion sensor, or your voice. Pouring water for a variety of chores has never been easier or more automated, thanks to the option to save preset jobs like filling jars or bottles. Number 1. Wi-Fi Enabled Instant Pot. Cook tasty cuisine right in the palm of your hand. Smart Quick Pots combine a pressure cooker, a slow cooker, a rice maker, and a steamer into one convenient package. You can prepare a variety of tender, delectable dishes, and choose from over 1,000 pre-programmed modes and recipes with your smartphone. By equipping your smart kitchen with a variety of appliances that go above and beyond to make your life easier, you can make it work harder, faster, and more efficiently for you. You may spend your valuable time at home doing other things now that your kitchen is automated and available on demand. Smart kitchen gadgets allow you to enjoy the fun, exciting activities in the kitchen, such as gourmet cooking, while removing the unenjoyable and time-consuming tasks from your plate. And that's it for today, guys. If you enjoyed the video, then like and share our video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss out on another amazing video from us. Thanks for watching, guys. Till next time.